Hey everybody, Shooting Star SVG back here, and today I just quickly am going to go through how to create these cute little board covers, as I like to call them, for your Pinterest profile. A few people have asked me about this today as I am sharing my analytics, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to do that. So, Pinterest research I have done, I've found that a square template works the best, particularly 600 pixels by 600 pixels at 75 dpi, because that's typical screen resolution. Since people aren't going to be using these for any sort of design, and it's just going to be for visual on the computer or mobile phone or tablet, 75 dpi is enough. So I actually have a template that I use actually in Silhouette Studio. I also have one set up in Photoshop, but I figure for sake of time, I'll just go through what I have here. So I do have an 8" by 8" canvas set up, and when I save that in the 75 dpi, it will be 600 by 600 pixels. And since this is a pre-made template, you can lay it out however you want. Once you get your design situated, you're going to go ahead and save it. And we'll see if it cooperates with me. It doesn't look like it's going to, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that. I already did save it. So I'm just going to go back here. What you're going to do now is you're going to create a board. Now, if you already have your board created, you don't have to go through the board creation step, but I'm going to go ahead and do this. So just go ahead and create your board. And when you go in here, okay, I didn't want to bore you with all of that. When you go in to edit your board and get everything set up, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to create a new pin. Make sure before you do that, you save the hyperlink to your board. So you can do that with Control-C, which is copy, or right-click and click copy. You're going to click on create a pin, and you can go ahead and add your title. The link that you just copied is going to go right into your destination link. And then what I do is I take the description of the board and I put it in the pin description. And basically you're just going to open up the board cover that you just created, and you're going to go down and select your board and click publish. And what that's going to do is it is going to pin that in on your board. And then when you click on edit your board, you will see a line that says cover. If you don't have your board populated, this will not be here. So after you create the pin, you just click on change, and it's going to populate all of the pins that you have. So you may have to scroll through if you're updating a board that has a lot of pins to it. And then you're just going to click on save changes, okay? And then go down and click save. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to add like 5 or 10 SVGs to this board real quick, and then you'll see that on my boards it is showing this and not the 10 or 12 new pins that I put on there. So okay, so I just went ahead and threw 10 pins up on there from design bundles just so I can fill it up. You can see that my first pin is actually the cover photo that we just designed and these pins. So when you go and click on my profile, you can click on boards, and you will see that even though I've posted a bunch of pins after it, the hunting and fishing pin stays locked on the top. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you got something out of this. If you are looking for more Pinterest tips on what I did to increase my monthly viewers from 200 to 424K over 5 months, let me know. I don't put a ton of time into my Pinterest. This is just slow growth for me, and it has been very helpful. More than happy to help y'all. So I hope everybody has a great night. Thanks.